Hi guys, what about kicked up to Halloween means? And for this one, you can see is fall. This is the last store name to begin tomorrow, so we're going to start back with kids means Benjamin Fall. The original text is called Massacre. This is the 2 discs of a mini edition, whatever. Here's your fine. This is in one of those metal case. I like the gold spine, and there is your back. 2 discs. The first disc is the movie. Second disc is the special features. 84 minutes long, 1974. Rated all, of course. All that stuff. Open it up, you do get this blood growth. And there's some stuff. Here's this one is the film. And this too is the bonus disc of highlight special features. And this is your battle, which I don't really like this. It's kind of blowing. So there it is. So there's that. This means actually you can. This movie is on Netflix right now. I don't know how long to be on Netflix for, but while I'm filming this of September the 14th, it is on Netflix right now. So I also have these other ones. So I don't know what these are in order of. Trying to see here. 712. So I have this one. This is the uncut version. There it is. And here is the DVD right there. It's fine. And then I have the 2012 one. Here is the DVD, and you need a little paper like this. So, and then this there. All that stuff. And then here's my favorite one, and it's the 2013 one. This is my favorite one. Out of the church. I mean, they made a lot. This is the DVD here at the house. But they have made a lot of sequels, prequels, a lot of textures. I'm not sure if they made one only for Netflix. And it's fine. I watched it. It came out February the 18th, I think 2022. Yeah, I think 2022 when it came out on Netflix. But yeah. Oh, hold up real quick. I also have another one. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I was doing the 4K one, which I just thought. This is actually a 2013 one. It says 2003. Whoever have this on this in the one they messed up, but it's fine. It's fine. In the back, here is your 4K. And here is your postal. So this side is the original postal, and this is the new postal. So this actually came out like a steel or one of them like trick or treat, those type. But I'm not saying they lost it, but they kept the disc and kept the postal. And I'll hang this up. The problem is like so wrinkly. How they put it in here. Just right now. So I'm okay. I'm just gonna keep it in here. So yeah. I got this yesterday. It's still on 4K. But yeah. The original Texas Chainsaw Massacre, I would say it's slow at the beginning, but it does go good. Yeah, it's really good. I love the first one and the 2013 one. This one. Those are my favorite ones. I think it's just because this is the 2003 one on 4K. It is. But yeah, overall the movie is good. I love the movie. Really good. I do love when they go to the gas station. That's one of my favorite parts. And of course, when we finally get to see Texas Chainsaw Massacre itself, I do love that part too. But overall, the movie is good. I really love this movie. It's a great movie for the trilogy, I would say. And yeah, but yeah, it's really good, and I liked it. Yeah. They have 3 different masks for Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The actors who played him, and I think the actors did not get to change cars at the time, because this movie was made in the 70s, and it's very different from what we did nowadays. The food in this scene right here, it's like didn't old, it was rotted, and it smelled bad. So yeah. Now that what they filmed that at is actually now, I don't know if it is still, but once sure I think it is a restaurant. So they changed it into a restaurant, and they have like pictures of the movie all around it. So pretty cool, you know, if you love the first movie. Yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day and night. I wish you share, comment, like, and subscribe. What is your favorite Texas Chainsaw Match for me? Mine is the 2013 one. I love the 2013 one. This one is this my favorite one. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day and night. I wish you share. Big spoiler will be up next. And yeah, have a good day and night. I wish you share. Bye.